there, I'm Barak Tunayer.
And I'm Jackie Teplitsky.
And today we're coming to you from 101 West 79th Street, also known as
the Park Belvedere Condominium.
Oh, indeed. We are coming to you right here. It's a condo. It's the best location on 79th Street in Columbus. And look, Jackie, at this view.
It's really amazing. This is one of the only buildings that you can get this combination of the Museum of Natural History and Central Park and protected view. Where else can you say in New York City protected view?
Only two protected views in New York, Central Park and a brick wall. And this is a great way to come into this apartment. You have a nice foyer there with two closets. You have a nice entryway. Beautiful place for dining. Look at this view coming into the living room, some more view, and this space here can become
a third bedroom. Look at this. So Barak, what are you cooking for me today? I mean, this is such an incredible kitchen with such large counter and so much space to cook at.
I'm trying to sell this listing not to cook for her, but if I ever wanted to, there's a Wolf stove, Bosch dishwasher, double door Sub-Zero right here. What a great kitchen, fully, beautifully renovated. And this is the second bedroom here, also with great view of the parks. Has a huge walk-in closet as well. The bathroom here, right outside, also to be used by your guests.
Primary bedroom, look how large this is. We also have these very large windows where you're looking west. And look at this bathroom. I really fell in love with this bathroom the moment that I saw it. Pristine, completely renovated. It's really a win-win situation. In the meantime that Mr. Barak is doing the pull-ups, I'm going to
25, 28.
I'm going to go into my best place. Look at this closet.
Look at this closet.
Wow.
And once again, I'm Barak Tunayer.
And I'm Jackie Teplitsky.
And today it's been our pleasure to show you 101 West 79th Street, apartment 10FG. And if you'd like to see it or like any more information, please give us a call. We'd be happy to show you around.